bringing you authentic news and unbiased analysis of the nation and the world.
Junior doctors have called off ceasework. Are you surprised? Not really. They are scared stiff. Scared out of their wits. Fear, not empathy for patients, has forced them to call off their ceasework. Empathy cannot suddenly wake up after 2 months. It was fear, only fear. And they are divided. Their hot balloons have burst. In spite of the hollow threat of hunger strike, it was fear, not empathy. Yes. It was mortal fear, and they started shaking and trembling like aspens. One simple reason: their lawyers have told them that they would not be able to defend them much longer. Anytime, the court may adopt a harsh stand against their arrogance. Then they would not be able to blame the state. A neighboring state has already showed the way by invoking ESMA, Essential Services Maintenance Act, against protesting nurses. The court has said that they must resume full duties, not just emergency services. So, continued stubborn attitude and continued agitation would earn the wrath of the court. The lawyers expressed their inability to justify their stay away from work any longer. The fear that seized them changed the roaring paper tigers into mew-mew cats. And they realized that the political party, which is on the verge of extinction, would support them no longer. Public support is also gone. And if court orders any strict action, the state government could not be blamed. So, the political party lost its wind. Because its aim was just to embarrass and defame the state administration by whipping public sentiments, a sinister motive in which they failed miserably. But shameless and vain ego of the fool does not give up so easily. So they added a meaningless, fake, hollow condition, a ludicrous threat of hunger strike. But the hot air is gone out of their bravado, and the roaring tigers become mewing cats. The state administration emerges the winner. Just by not giving a pennyworth of importance to their ceasework, they kept their honor intact, while breaking the spine of the misguided medicos. So, all the fake bravado is gone. The trembling doctors are tamed, their illusion is busted, their haughtiness is crushed. It is just the fear, not any empathy for suffering people, that forced their climb down.